Okay, here's a follow-up video with my 18th century lathe. Give a quick demonstration of it. We'll go over it really quick. I won't go into a lot of detail because I don't have a lot of time. Belt, wheel, spindles, and all that. Most of those parts are original. The two vertical pieces, two horizontal pieces. That vertical piece, that head, are chestnut. That's white oak. It's white oak. Let's give it a spin, and I'll try to do this with the camera being directly beside me. The phone, I don't have a chest thing yet. So, let's get it timed. Oh. I need to get better lighting in here. Get that eventually. Gotta save up some money for that. I still have to finish the electricity in the shop. It's not finished yet. I get some more money to finish my electricity. And maybe get it brighter in here. I'm trying to stay out of the frame, and it's hard to do when I have to keep my distance. Had a cat run just behind me, almost tripped me up. There we go. Now we're getting in there. You have to get it anchored to the floor, so that way it won't move so much. As you can see, it's rocking back and forth on me right now. I have to tighten up the frame because the joints are a little bit loose, but it's a work in progress.